Ladies and gentlemen, today we, Intel, will demonstrate our entire portfolio of 12th Gen products and will really show you what we precisely mean by scalable architecture. And we are immensely elated to have you all here to experience firsthand the technological marvel that the 12th Gen Intel Core is.
If you're into gaming, content creation, or practically using a PC for anything that is powerful and intensive, then this is the place to be. We are at Intel's Roadshow, wherein they are showcasing several exciting designs on both laptops as well as desktop machines featuring the latest Alder Lake 12th Gen Core processors. We've got really powerful machines on our left, the latest laptops featuring Intel's 12th Gen P series processors as well as graphics cards from NVIDIA, and more desktop PCs over here. Let's take you through some of the more exciting designs we have seen so far. So this one over here, this is the Alienware X17, would end up being the most powerful laptop that we've seen so far. It features an Intel Core i9-12900HK processor. That's the one with 6 P cores and 8 E cores. And it also has an NVIDIA RTX 3080 Ti graphics card. Now, this design features the graphics card within the laptop. However, we've also seen designs wherein the graphics card is external and uses a proprietary dock. Speaking about the Asus ROG Flow Z13, this one comes with an RTX 3050 Ti built into the laptop. But what's interesting is you have this external dock with an RTX 3080 Ti fitted into it. And when you connect it using this proprietary connector over here and use the inbuilt app, you can switch from the 3050 Ti to the RTX 3080. So you've got a sleek laptop which you can take with you anywhere you want. And if you feel like gaming on the go, just pull out the ROG dock and you're set to go. Now, those were the laptops with the H and the HX series processors, which means you have really high TDP, around 45 to 55 watts. Below them, you also have the P series laptops. These are the ones with 28 watts TDP, and those are the ones that we're going to be seeing next. And here we have the Samsung Galaxy Book 2 Pro 360. This one comes with the Intel Core i7-1260P. It is the processor that has 4 P cores and 8 E cores. And you can see it comes in a very sleek design. This is thanks to the fact that this particular processor, or rather this series of processors, is rated for 28 watts TDP. You can see every single design featuring P series processors on the table are sleek, thin and light. Khelte raho. Now that we've seen all the laptops and the thin and sleek designs, let's look at something that's a little more bigger and a lot more impressive. We're talking about the desktops. And in front of us is a custom designed gaming desktop. You can see it features a Cougar case, which is really impressive to look at. And inside it happens to be an Intel Core i9-12900KS, which is an 8P8E processor. This graphics card, which happens to be the RTX 3080 Ti Master 12G, 12 GB of GDDR6X, giving you all that massive frame rate boost that you'd need for playing at high resolution. And for the memory, you've got DDR5 memory, and that too 32 gigabytes of memory rated at 5200 megahertz, or mega transfers per second for that. Perhaps you're a fan of great performance, which means you're looking at desktop grade components, but you prefer it to be in a smaller form factor, in which case you prefer one of these NUC machines. This happens to be powered by an Intel Core i9-12900, which is an 8P8E design, NVIDIA RTX 2080 Ti, and all of it is packed into this little form factor. While the machines behind us were built more for gaming, these particular workstations, or rather demo stations, are to showcase the performance in content creation. And over here we have one PC that's geared to transcode video from one format to another, and you have the handbrake workload in front of us. We're going to start the process, and you can see the progress bar at the bottom just racing past. Now, that was a really quick transcode on this machine, which happens to be powered by an Intel Core i9-12900K, and for the graphics it has an RTX 3080 Ti. But obviously we are huge fans of the fancy design, which again happens to be an Aorus Cougar collaboration build. So we've seen 12th gen laptops, we've seen 12th gen desktop machines with content creation workloads, and obviously we've seen 12 gen gaming machines. Now, that's enough for most of the video, I guess. Our camera person is going to splice in a lot more footage of all the fancy machines here, and I'm going to spend my time playing. Thank you for watching this video. We'll catch you in the next one. कंट्रोल्स को किसी ने उल्टा कर किसी ने जानबूझ के कंट्रोल्स को उल्टा करके रखा